I mean, it's coming right in, so I'm just gonna probably... It's just sand outside, you know? It's like, I don't know. Oh, wow. Nice strike. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna record through here. We're just gonna, yep, no, this is good. Like, what's the best angle? I probably should have come up earlier, to be honest. I was just like chilling out. I like at an 8 a.m., so I was like tired. But yeah, I already got one CG. And this is probably as good of a place to focus as any. This is like west-northwest. It's kind of been an interesting day. We had like these little towers trying to go up earlier at like 3 or 4 p.m. We actually had like good supercell composite and stuff, but we almost mixed out too much dew points from the 50s. Temps, you know, near 80. So it was a little too dry in the boundary layer, but we moistened things up with some earlier rounds going through, and now late night convection. This is actually on the cold front itself. Thunder there. I also just get a wee nervous because we're like the tallest building in town, so like this place has a better chance to get struck than anywhere else. So yeah, right now I'm just seeing some huge drops that are like actually making noise. I don't know if you can see how big these drops actually are. You don't care about that, you just care about the lining. No idea. But we at least got one really good CG. You can see the colors changing in the background there. That's something. I need to zoom out more. But no, they're just lining on like every side. I don't really. Yeah, now we're getting in the rain, so we're losing the ability to. I mean, it's going to be like close to get a CG at this point. I don't know, I didn't look at wind too much. I mean, it's the SPS, it's like 50 miles per hour. So it's not crazy, but lights are moving. Okay, so we got some sort of wind. I don't know to what degree, but sorry if I'm also like kind of, like I was gonna go to sleep and then this line just develops. It's like, okay. We got good light motion, okay, so we can use this to estimate wind. Okay, you definitely have some sort of wind. Yeah, stuff's moving. Okay, we got some outflow wind. Wow. Yeah, storm's here. Good one. Good. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely getting louder. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Jeez. See that? Whoa. Wow. Wow, this is squall. Wow. Jeez. Wow, currents are, jeez, man. Sideways rain, it's coming right in. Can you see that? Can you see that? Wow. You guys. Wow. Yeah, big wind. Wow, that was on top of us. Yeah, see that? That's all. I have no idea what we're doing for wind. I mean, this has probably got to be like 40 or 50 at least. I mean, maybe, this might be more than that. I don't know. Good other angle. Yeah, the door's open up. That's usually when we get a 50, door opens up. I think we have 50. Dude. Maybe more. Wow. Is it another one? Man, I wish I could just like get in there so bad, but they lock it, But a serious wind. Serious wind. Okay, wind is subsiding. Now we're just into heavy rain. Jesus Christ. I think that was really close. Yep, yeah, that hit campus or town. Wow. Good thunderstorm. Really good thunderstorm. Close CGs and a crazy wind burst. Okay, it is now hard to actually see. You can see the water. I think that's water in the street. Yeah, we got flooding on the street. For like 5 minutes of rain. I put in earplugs just in case this place gets struck. Like literally for air protection. Yeah, there's flooding down there, dude. Wow. I'm glad I came on. I was really on the fence, but I was like, yeah, this looks pretty good. This is like 55 BPC. I'll come up. It was really heavy rain. Lightning bolt close to Beaver Stadium. Yeah, I should be reporting over here. Well, I mean, all the lightning's over here. I'm gonna get a lightning shot. It's gonna be over here. I mean, that one probably was west of us. I don't know where. Guess I'm reporting the lightning now. I mean, Jesus Christ. Did we get hit? Jeez. Oh my God. What was that? Okay, that was not fun. That was not fun. That was not fun. No idea. I think we got hit. Did we get struck by lightning? I think we might have got struck by lightning. That's why we wear earplugs. That's why I'm wearing earplugs. That's why I'm wearing earplugs. Did we get hit? Did we get hit? That was wow. I think we got hit. Oh my effing God. I think we got hit. It wasn't even that loud. It was just like instant. But I have earplugs in, so maybe it was like, I mean, that's why I put earplugs in. Can you see? I'm literally wearing earplugs. Well, that was something. Yeah, I think we got hit. I'll have to, I mean, there definitely wasn't a bullet. Like, the best I could tell, it was somewhere up there. Probably just, like, on top of us, to be honest. But I think we got hit. I mean, these walls are soundproof, not that soundproof. Wow, that was nice looking. I don't know, it's still going on. You know, I'm glad I was not outside. I don't know if I needed this, but this is gonna be on YouTube now. Jesus Christ. They're still close, at least somewhat. Why you're outside right now? Okay, maybe it wasn't close, but I wish there were more bullets, but I'm not seeing bullets right now. Yeah, still good thunder. Just, can we please not get hit again? Like, nice. Nice. And this is April 5th at midnight. That was pretty much a severe thunderstorm. That was pretty much a severe thunderstorm. I mean, definitely very quick. I mean, the storm motions are like 60, 70 miles per hour. But good late night surprise. Yeah, they're all in the northeast now.